Walanio wa kinandu kyeu na kila kivaniiwe ukwata mbau waki wa malelu na milati minene ya Silikali kila kisikanie ta Infrastructure Fund nikiendelea na ukwata ukuno itina wa ndongoi cia ngwatanio ya Ulei itongoewe ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr Kalonzo Musyoka na Rigathi Gachagua Kuleana na kinandu ki wala mekwasya kana ino ni njia ya kuendea kutumia ilovia cia NND kuanzia itina umilu ndongoi ithi inena na andiki mama uvo ni cia weta Silikali tevangite kuthosya mali ya mwene nthi na ilovia ithi saema kukunikilwa kana kwikiwa kunikili undu vailite ikauna mwene nthi mwaka mweu ena mauvo.
Ndongoi ithi cia Ulei inena na andiki mama uvo ni cia kulia mbungene na Kuleana na mutalatala wa kinandu cha infrastructure na ula uthakitwe mbungene ino ni Silikali iweta kana mutalatala utote na umelu wa undu ilovia ii cia alikwa kinandu niki ikutumika.
On the National Infrastructure Fund Bill, reject the bill in its entirety as constitutionally defective, governance deficient, and institutionally redundant. Full publication of all transaction advisor engagement terms and selection processes, commission an independent actuarial and strategic valuation of the Safaricom stake, demand a national security assessment of reduced state shareholding, and hold full public participation hearings in line with Article 118 of the Constitution.
Ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka iweta kana nthi ya Kenya taisilite utongoi ni muthuku na ulusani na mathina ala maende kwikumbila nthi ino ya Kenya mathiminwa ni uthosya wa mali ya Silikali.
Kenya is suffering from a crisis of governance. Call it blatant corruption. A persistent structural failure of the state to spend resources transparently, enforce accountability, and protect the interests of ordinary citizens over powerful insiders. The National Infrastructure Fund Bill will not cure this crisis, nor will the Safaricom divestiture. These are not solutions to Kenya's development deficit. They are distractions from it. And in the wrong hands, they become instruments for deepening the same elite capture that has stunted Kenya's growth for generations. The United Alternative Government stands on the side of constitutional integrity, fiscal discipline, and the long-term strategic interests of the Kenyan people.
Ndongoi ithi ingi ni cia weta kana kielelo cha Silikali kwendekethia kusovwa kwa kinandu ki ni kumantha ilovia cia kutwaisya uteti nthini wa nyuvani ukite wa mwaka wa 2027 nditi kutwaisya maendeleo.
What we know is that they are creating a fund that will not go through parliament, that will not be subject to audit. In our honest view, they are creating a fund for his re-election. He wants 5 trillion shillings that is not approved by parliament, that is not audited by the Auditor General, for bribing the people of Kenya. So they have lost credibility to be believed by anybody, because I don't think there is any proven matter that they have given a certain commitment and it has gone through. So I think that credibility issue is really very worrisome.
Dilivotia vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.